together, you know, and she's saying being a part of the community with our Ghanaian brothers and sisters, and we're becoming whole together. Such an inspiring movement to be alive at this time, to be part of that. Sister SAS, we all know her. I want her to inspire us a little bit, you know, with what she do. So, come on, SAS, give us some of that inspiration.
I'm honored to be here with you all. My name is Sister SAS for Sharon Ann Smith, from Atlanta, Georgia, residing in Atlanta, Georgia. And this is my third time in Ghana. The second time with Bomani in Africa for the Africans. I am on the staff of Africa for the Africans in a spiritual capacity, but also I think what's important now is that I'm ready to use the gifts that the Creator's blessed me with directly with African people on the continent. That's why I've been here 3 times, learning, submerging, and truly enjoying the love of our people here at home and abroad, but here in Ghana particularly. I do calligraphy, the art of beautiful handwriting, as most of you all here know, but I want to invite you back to the room at the appropriate time to find out a little bit more about how I do what I do. I've been doing calligraphy for about 32 years full time. It's a mobile global ministry of the written word, and this is the High Priestess Seishat, who Baba Nana Bafor, Asa Hilliard, took me to Kemet, and this is who I am in the wisdom of writing. And this is what my Shinu says, that I do love to write. I like to see my services used for the leadership of the country. Certain things coming out of the presidential and the legislative offices should be hand done. They should be. The envelopes, certificates, diplomas, proclamations, the words of our ancestors, be them the Honorable Nkrumah or the Honorable Marcus Garvey. I write the words of our ancestors to empower our children, our families, and most of all our nation, as we are that keeper of the nation. So at the appropriate time, you can come back to our booth, which I invited my guest friend, very great author in, who has the preeminent book on the Honorable Kwame Nkrumah, and that's Brother Kofi, who you will hear about at the end of the program. But I have a piece that I wanted to share with the family, and this piece you may have heard before. It was made known to the world by President Nelson Mandela when he was inaugurated as President of South Africa. I've had a great history of traveling to sub-Saharan Africa. In 1985, I was there when Mandela was still in Robben Island. It was my first trip to the motherland. I also went to Lesotho, Zimbabwe, and Zambia that summer. It changed my life. I think to whom much is given, much is required. And I am extremely blessed, and I'm here on this continent to be a blessing. So I'd like to dedicate this spoken word piece to each one of you, as well as to myself. I write the words, but I commit the words to memory. And I commit the words to memory so I really won't forget who I am. And this is why I write certain words all these years, and would encourage you to look at the use of them for not just yourself, but your children and your grandchildren. Our Deep Sphere is the title of this piece, but I renamed it Powerful Beyond Measure. Take the attention off the fear and put it on the power, the powerful people that we are. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful beyond measure. It's our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, and fabulous? But actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There's nothing, absolutely nothing enlightening about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. You see, we were born to manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us. It is in everyone. And I do mean everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fears, our presence automatically liberates others. I say our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful. Powerful. And I do mean powerful beyond measure. Powerful. Beyond measure.
Right.